Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today we're back with another video on the Let's Niche Down series. I'm super excited to bring you guys another video in this series, and today our keyword is bicycle. Today I want to use Bookboat to do the product searching and then also do a little bit more on Amazon. I already pulled Bookboat up, and I do have an affiliate link down below in my description box that you can use to get signed up Bookboat. So to anyone who has already used it, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you for using my Bookboat link. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I've already logged into Bookboat, and I went to the product section, and then in the keyword section I put bicycle. You can choose by category, but because we're just talking about certain niches, I just did general. I did type in bicycle, which was our keyword, and it came up with like a total of 18 search results, the BSR, the highest price, average price, etc. And then it has some of the keywords here. I'm sure it won't give us a real in-depth one, but I just want us to just look at it and see if we can get any ideas. Here is one that says life is a beautiful ride. I feel like these are all blank journals. Ride a bike like mama, notebook, romantic bicycle trip. I don't even think that one has anything to do with bicycle. This is like a bicycle in Paris. I love this monogram bicycle. Like, this is dope. That's a cute concept. I told you guys this concept is amazing when you create like a letter into a shape of the products, just like I did before with the St. Patrick's Day, the four-leaf clovers. That is really good here. Here's something that says in your dust for a cyclist. I think we should look into like the cyclist. Life is good. These are really cute, simple books. Now we're going to go over to Amazon, and we're going to search the word bicycle, and we're going to see what kind of comes up. We see bicycle pump, seat, light, accessories, lock for men, accessories for women, helmet, racks, t-shirt. Not, I don't see any t-shirts, and I don't see like any books. We're gonna go a second step, and we're gonna get bicycle t-shirt. Now we start to see bicycle t-shirts for men, for women, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish the word and see. Wow, bicycle t-shirts for infants. I'm interested to see what this is. Okay, look at that. Super simple. And again, by using some of these, terms, I have the productor, I have the Amazon keywords extension, it has the DS Amazon Quick View keywords everywhere. And right now, what the productor is doing for me is checking out the amount of products and kind of just testing out to see what type of niches are here. 177 search results for bicycle t-shirts for infants. To me, that sounds pretty good. I see some cute little t-shirts. I want to ride a bicycle. Just little cute stuff. Really cute little t-shirts. Okay. This can actually be something. This can turn out to be something here. Okay. Just a little bit more information about it. And now, as always, I go in and I just put it on clothing because, of course, we want to niche down. 126 search results for bicycle t-shirts for infants. And then if you also realize that under clothing, it has like boys and girls. You probably could even niche down even more. We found bicycle t-shirts for infants. I want to go back to the beginning and see what type of like journals, and is this a good fit? I'm not going deep into is it selling and things like that, but I really want to just show you guys how you can niche down and find something that is amazing to start you on your way to possibly getting a sale. I'm going to type in journals. There's not a lot of like extra keywords. It's just bicycle journal. They have 2,000 search results under all. Now we're going to go down to book and see how many search results we have for books. Then we're going to search again. We go from 2,000 to 20,000. This is a huge niche. This is where you get the bicycle, and then you do the things like the cyclist to add that keyword in there. And I probably could have wrote it better, maybe like bicycle, or let's just try cyclist journal because it's still in the bicycle niche. It's just a type of cyclist. Sorry, I was supposed to put cyclist journal. And then I want to take it a step further because I know they train. That yields 8,000 search results. Cyclist training journal. That yields 2,000 search results. Let's add in marathon. Let's add in the word marathon because these are type of things that they do. They do these cycling marathon. 61 search results. Okay. We added the word training. We got like what, 2,000. We added the word marathon. We are down to under 1,000. This is definitely a log. This is something. And you see, this person has 2-star reviews, and this interior is off. It's a great book, but something is off. You can go in and create something better and get those sales, okay? Because the book is ranking and it has the keywords. Someone here probably did it even better. The cover is trash, but it might be a better interior. And most of the times people are just looking for an interior. And then you see a lot of log books. Definitely a great way to approach this from the journal standpoint. Again, this is Let's Niche Down series, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.